What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be installing a set of these FastGun Turnbuckles from Torklift. I want to give them a big shout out. This video would not be possible without them. I've had these in my Amazon cart since we got the camper. Hadn't pulled the trigger on buying them yet. Torklift reached out and asked if we wanted to try them out. So we're going to get them installed on the camper today. I also wanted to give you guys a big shout out for following along and subscribing. Things like this, videos like this wouldn't be possible without you guys, so I want to say thank you so much. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is grab the turnbuckle, take the threaded rod, and we're going to keep it right in this section. We're going to thread the square nut on, and we're going to thread it on, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. Then we're going to take this flat rubber washer and we're going to put it on. And then we're going to take the lock nut and thread it on. And I, for the first one, went out into the vise. So clamp it in the vise. You can bring it all the way up and kind of use itself to tighten that down just till the threads are showing. Okay, couple threads. So then that's going to pull all the way down. This is going to seal in there. Put the O-ring on. So these are the old ones. They're not spring loaded or anything. There's nothing really to them other than just a straight turnbuckle, which there's nothing wrong with. But if you're going to go off grid and stuff, it's just not ideal. This is spring loaded. So we hook that on there. I'll tighten this down. And then that black O-ring, we put it there. And then when we pull this down, it should be a 1/4 of an inch. And then the really nice part, they sent us these locks. And then it's secure, no one can steal it. Alright, let's see how long it takes to remove one of these turnbuckles. See, still not far enough. Alright. We got that one off. I got the short ones, by the way, because obviously I'm not going all the way down and over to the frame. They do sell longer ones. They have different colors. I got white. Obviously my rig's white. Perfect. Nice and snug. I just cinched this down. Okay, let's see how long it takes with one hand to get this one off. Right back together. Got our lock. Good to go. We got some really exciting content coming up. We're hopefully going to be getting some white utility boxes to really finish off the exterior look. We've got a new build coming on the channel. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. You'll be seeing a video coming soon of me picking that up and getting it running. And we also have a trip coming up to southern Arizona here in the next few weeks, and we're really excited to get back out in the Kodiak. But that's going to do it for this video. I want to say thank you so much to Torklift, and thank you so much to you guys for liking and subscribing. None of this would be possible if it weren't for you. We'll see you on the next video. Later, guys.